All right, so here's how I've already created a second channel under this YouTube account. So all you have to do is go up here to switch between. Right now we're logged into the channel Live Local Athens. So if we will go and hit the switch account, it'll give us some options. So you can click on the Greer and Company. And now if you'll notice, the icon up here is your picture or her picture, whoever's watching this, and you're in there. So let's switch back. So we go do it again here. Switch account. Go to Live Local Athens, or whatever channel you want to go into. And if you want to see what's on that channel, you hit your channel. Obviously, there's no videos uploaded here, but you can upload one here or there. And then once you have them, you can set up playlists, which I highly recommend. And, you know, some recommended channels, things like that. So it's that simple. You just click on the icon up there, switch account, and see now this is going to change. You want to see the channel, you click your channel, and there it is. It's as simple as that.